Hello everyone, myself Vikal Jain, and today I am going to show you how to add zero in blank cells. See, I have many blank cells over here and I am going to add zero in it in one shot. And in second example, I am going to hide all zero in one shot. So let's try first example, how to put zero in blank cells in one shot. So for this, just you need to select the data like this. Now press Ctrl plus G, go to special, click on blanks, click OK. Now see, my cursor has selected all the blank cells over here. Now type 0 and press Ctrl plus enter. See, in one shot I have entered the 0 in all the blank cells. Now we are going to hide our 0. So select the data, just go to File, Options. In the Options tab you have to click on Advanced. Now just little bit down in the display option for the worksheet, so you have to uncheck this option, show a 0 in cells that have 0 value. Uncheck it, click OK. Now see, I have 0 over here but it is not seeming. So this is very cool trick.